Okay, welcome to episode 2 for the Dow Chase. We got, I was recording last time, and we got T.I.V. up here. We got another vehicular device up there. Let me try to see what it is. We got, Dominator 4, look at that. Hold on, this actually, this T.I.V. actually might be on something, bro. This train was not, worth for deploying, so I'm just gonna do a probe and go. Do I have to do a probe and go? Yeah, I don't think it's coming anytime soon, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's not gonna come. Yeah, it's shifting over. It's a relative yes. Sure, you can get in. I couldn't care less. Oh. Okay. Probe and go, probe and go. See you later, alligator. No, the car! Well, I think I can intercept this, actually. Look at that. Uh! I'm not real. I'm not real. Oh my god. He actually died. Holy moly. I think I already said this, but welcome to episode 2 of the Dow Chase. For the Dow. I want the Dow. I need the Dow. Money printing machine. Yup, it's going up. I guess I'll hang out. Abomination 4. Look at that. W Abomination. Not gonna lie, that crash actually kind of hurt, but who cares? 321 mile per hour in that. Oh. The weirdest sight I've ever seen is T.I.V. getting lofted. And that is that. I just completely forgot about an event that I just posted. Um, I'll be doing it like in like 3 days. I'm not sure. I got a lot of things to do. Gotta get used to, 5th grade and stuff. Look at that. We got mezzanine moving over. We got green TVS. We got human beings going over to the green TVS instead of letting it cook. W people. Mm. Still have no idea why the Winstones Regional Airport could detect tornadoes, but it's worse than National Weather Service. So, oh my god, I hit the tree that harassed me. Um, got the Biv Puh, the Biv Puh. I actually do not think the T.I.V. 2 has a license plate named T.I.V. 2. Twins. Do not follow during advised weather. Oh. Well, look at that big lump. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, is that a toy? Oh boy. Um, funnel touching down. It's currently a cone right now. Not gonna lie. So, how's y'all summer been? How's y'all summer been? Not gonna lie. Oh no. Oh god. Get the government out here. Oh look at that. We got Abomination 4 and we got the same vehicle right over there. See, we got T.I.V right over here. Oh, we got a tornado right over here. Why is there a T.I.V in the grass? We got a Ford Bronco W4. Oh, wait, never mind. T.I.V not in the grass. Still W4 Bronco. We actually got the wilts to do that. I'm not sure if this tornado is worth deploying for, so I'm just gonna... Oh, yeah, some more. Hold on. Look at that, you got... Okay, look at that. We got the same human being. Sir, I think you should evacuate. I don't know if you should... Oh, you're a storm... Oh, wait, there's... Oh, God. Oh, God. Um... Have you guys ever heard a Helicity roaring tornado? It's basically like a freaking high-end EF5 that roars and it's scary, bro. Scariest part, if it's at night, you can't even see it. Oh God, oh my God. Um, someone's on something. Okay, we should have a tornado. Okay. Oh, look at that. God, Ford Bronco. You go. You should evacuate, sir. Sir, you should evacuate. You should actually. Yeah, thank you. You should definitely evacuate. Trust me, sir. You don't want to be here. You actually do not want to be here. Yep, gonna drop down the probe. I'm gonna move a little bit. Do I have the survival instincts of a chicken nugget? Heck yeah. Do I like it? I don't know. Sir, I think you should evacuate, sir. Oh, wait, there's no one inside. If this thing doesn't deploy in time, we're gonna be gone, bro. Always turn off park brake or else you're gonna roll. Just let the wheels roll. Oh, the tornado shift. Oh, wait. Oh, say goodbye to the vehicle. Oh, God, we're going in. Oh, God. Entering the leading edge. Okay, we're in the eye, actually. Sorry about that. 56, not that bad. Oh, my God. Entering the leading edge. Subvort. Careful with subvorts, by the way. You go ahead and hold up a lot of wind. Entering the leading edge. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? What are you? No! Oh my gosh! Poor people! Oh my gosh! Holy moly! Poor people! What did it do? How long? How big is this tornado? How big is this freaking tornado? How big is this tornado? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Godness. Jesus Christ. My god. Godness, bro. Are you serious? Sir, you're lucky. You're very lucky, sir. If you came here like 3 minutes earlier, you would have been dead, bro. You would have crashed inside a power line like the doghouse in Twister X. Trust me. Uh, ew. I gotta be, trust me. That was scary. Also, quick fact, the lower the eye speeds, the more stronger the tornado is. So let's just say you got like 0 mile per hour in eye in the tornado, you're doomed. Um, yeah, that's all I could say. You're doomed. Start doing your prayers. Yeah. Poor people though. Poor UI, poor my pro. You are so lucky, sir. You are so lucky. I'm out all night to get lucky. I'm out all night to get lucky. Got down power lines. Get the government out here. Get electricity workers out here. Okay, I'm gonna try to come in for another intercept. Let's cut to the train, right? About we got a down windmill. I think that's the same. Yeah, it's the same one. Oh no. I think we got about like 10 minutes, 11 minutes on the freaking video right now. Um. Oh god. Okay. Oh wait. Oh shoot. I forgot about something. The cut. Remember the cut? Cut over to train. It was supposed to be cool. Oops. Hold on. Now here we are. Look at that. W cut right there. I'm gonna drop down my probe right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta move it a little bit over. Look at that. Titus from Into the Storm. Look at that. Hmm? Are you excited to go to school tomorrow? I don't know. How did you survive? Oh my. Oh my god, the car! Everything's gone! The car almost got lofted right over there. W Titus Into the Storm. Congrats. 110 miles per hour survived. I mean, I was not even inside the tornado either. Where's my probe? Where's my probe? Here it is. Eight, eight, 1,801. Basically $2,000. Look at that. Holy. Still could not believe that by that time I got saved by this right here. This little piece right here. I love the power lines, bro. Not gonna lie. I can't see the tornado, not gonna lie. I don't see the tornado. Oh, shoot, it's right there. Oh, shoot, it's right there. 115. Bro, limit exceeded. Holy, that was scary. Not just kidding. I'm not. What? What the heck? Thank you guys for watching this video. We got a Titus coming over. Yup, we got a Titus coming over. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time for episode 3. Corn dog.